So I'm here today presenting planetology in the Design Center of the Americas. This amazing multimedia studio, which is state-of-the-art worldwide. And so, you know, the concept of planetology is all about reconnecting human physiology with the essential elements of nature: air, water, fire, and soil. So read the book, you understand how I articulate all these amazing concepts, and you will learn a lot about yourself, about your connection with Mother Earth. Download it from Amazon. Planetology, Enzo Di Taranto, The Planet Through the Body.